Hi, my name is Lennox Ludwig, and I'm going to teach you how to make a paper airplane. First step is to get a piece of paper, like letter-size paper, Next step is to take your piece of paper and crease it in half lengthwise, and make sure you have a good crease. Then you want to unfold what you just did. Next step is to bring the top corners in until they meet the crease. Next, you want to fold the angled top edges down to the middle again. Then, you want to fold the piece of paper along the center line. Crease the angle side toward the center to make the wings on both sides. If you follow my steps precisely, then you should have a paper airplane that flies far. Thanks for watching.